Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start here, make sure your battery is above 20% and any important custom items are backed up. Once done, open the theme app directly from the app drawer. You will see applied themes and installed packs. Tap the active theme to view details. You do this because uninstall options appear only on the theme detail page. If a system default is visible, select it. Otherwise, proceed to the installed theme list to access uninstall or restore controls. Now you remove the installed package. Tap the installed theme and open details. You will see buttons like Unapply, Restore, or Set. Choose Unapply first to detach custom icons and wallpaper. Once unapplied, use the three-dot menu to select Uninstall or Delete theme files. Make sure to pick System or Default as the active theme immediately after unapplying to avoid partial UI artifacts. If icons persist, reboot the phone. Finish by cleaning up residual data. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Show System Apps, right arrow Theme or Launcher, right arrow Storage, right arrow Clear Cache and clear data if necessary. You do this because leftover cache can keep old icons or styles active. Once cleared, reboot the device to let the system reapply the default look. If something still looks off, go back into the theme app and reinstall the stock or default theme. This will replace missing files and resolve most display inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.